Yeah, hi all, good morning. So today we are going to learn, we are going to see one of the code snippet is given to us. So let's find out the output for this. Okay, this is a below code snippet which is given to us. Like there is a one try block is given and finally block, and inside the try block one print statement is there, and inside the finally block one more print statement is there. Just find out the output for this, and the options is given like the options are provided here. Option A, B, C, like try block, finally block, and followed by this one will be executed like that they given. Option 2 is A, B, only try and finally block is going to execute. And third one is a error, and third option is error, and fourth option is B, C, only finally block, and this will be executed like that they given. So So the expected output, everyone is guessing that like the try block will be executed and finally, and this line of code will be executed. So the answer would be option one. Answer would be option one. Most of the things which we are going to think like this, but let's see and let's execute and see the output of this program. Okay, just copy this code. Okay, we'll go to the compiler. Just see that. Okay, so actually the actual answer is, so it will throw you the compile time error actually. So let's see. So why it is throwing and what was the reason? We'll just try to answer that. Okay, just run this code. I just copy pasted and just let's save this code. Okay. So let's run this program. Let's see. Okay, let's see the output of this program. Okay, just look at the output of this program. Just run this application. Okay, the output is given as A, B, C. Okay, what I told that answer will return the error like. Okay, so the general expected behavior is like everyone we will think that answer would be the ABC. So that will go with the option one ABC in the interview. But the thing is that the answer is a error like. So when it will throw you the error means like if you are something you are keeping after the finally block, it will not be executed. Okay, as per our Java programming. So if you are writing something after the finally block, it will throw you some error. It won't be accepted. So in the try block, if any return statement is provided, you will see such kind of behavior here. Okay. So it is directly showing that remove this statement. Directly it is showing that remove this statement. It will not be executed. When just try, you can just run this code. Just observe this. Okay. It is showing exception in thread main, java.lang.error, unresolved compilation problem. Okay. Unreachable code. So as per our Java programming, anything you are writing after the finally block will not be executed. Okay. So in this try block, we have provided one return statement. So initially I was written the code without the return statement. If I write this return statement here and I'll just ask for the output, the answer would be your error. So this would be your error. But I just written a simple program. I just given all the print statements inside all the blocks. I just written the code like that. Okay, this is actually your interview question. Like, so they are going to ask, so this kind of code snippet they are going to give, and these are the options they will give. So what is your expected answer like? So they will ask for the expected output. So what would be the expected output for this line of code? So the expected output is a error like. Okay, anything you are writing after the finally block, it is not going to accept and it will throw you an error like. Okay, this is as per our Java programming. So if you just comment this return statement here and just save this code, like we lost the errors here, we don't have any errors. Just run this code. Okay, now you will see the different kind of output. You will see the output as ABC. So now we'll just add the catch block also here. Okay, after the try block, Generally in the exception handling, we will write catch block here. So we'll see if I write a catch block here, what kind of output we'll get. Okay, I'll just provide one more print statement here. We'll just see for the catch block. Okay, A, B, C, D. Okay, what would the output, the expected output like? So if the try block is executed, catch block is not going to execute it, because if it throws any exception, it will go to this corresponding catch block. General behavior of the try catch block. But here, if you look at the scenario, there is no exceptions inside the try block, so it won't be reached to the catch block. Only the output would be A, B, C. Okay, it won't go to the catch block. Nice. C output is A, B, C. It is not going to your catch block. Okay, if someone is given the question like this, interview question, I will write one return statement also here. Now we'll just observe this code. Okay, run this code. Answer is A and B. Okay, it is not even executing this line of code. Okay, so we have try block and followed by the catch block and followed by the finally block, and the return statement is provided. Here, answer we are getting it as A and B. Okay, so we have three different programs. So one is without catch block. Just remove this control X. Okay, with return statement. If you are providing return in the try block, if you are written on return statement and followed by the finally block is there, and if you are trying to run this code, okay, only this try and finally block will be executed, and this code line of code will not be executed, and it will throw you the error. So this is the expected behavior for this current program. Okay, what they are going to give the interview. So this would be they will give you, and what is the expected output, like that they will ask for. Okay, this is your interview question. Okay, why we are getting the error here means, as per our Java programming, after the finally block, if you're trying to write something and trying to execute, so it will not be executed. This will become unreachable statement. It is syntactically not allowed in the Java programming. So that's the reason you are seeing the compile time error. Okay. And if you are running this program and saving this program and running, you are getting the compile time error itself. See here. Okay, this is the compile time error. I'll just comment this return statement. Okay. Just run this code. You will see the output as ABC. Okay. So if you don't have any return statement, your answer is option A, ABC. If you have any return statements in the type block, your answer would be error. Okay. And if I added the catch block here, I'll just do Control Z. Okay. If I add the catch block here, okay, I'll just save this program and run this. So your answer is A and B. A and B. Try block and finally block is executing. After the finally block, whatever the code is there, that is not executing here. Okay, in this case, A, B, C, D. Answer is A and B. Okay, this is a famous interview question. Okay, so for more video updates, then like, share, and subscribe to the Chris Solutions. Okay, thank you all. See you. Bye bye.